Build your PCB prototype with AIVON and get up to $60 in new user support. AIVON offers high-precision PCB manufacturing, fast turnaround, and free engineering review to help ensure your new users can receive manufacturing and shipping credits on their first order. Simply create an account or log in, upload your Gerber files, select PCB color, quantity, thickness, size, and other options, then place the order from the cart. After entering your shipping address and choosing the delivery method, complete the payment and wait for your PCB delivery. Check the description for more details. Open the code file download link in the description and first install all the required libraries. After that, set up your home Wi-Fi SSID and password in the code, then enter your city and country code. Next, open weathermap.org, log into your account, click on the My API keys, and generate a new API key. Copy the generated API key and paste it into the code. Finally, select the ESP32-C3 board, choose the correct COM port, and click Upload.